One day monsoon trip. It had been raining all morning, so Gattu and Chinky didn't go to school. Papa had taken a leave from the office too.
It's been raining for so long, Chinky. Don't know when the rain will stop. Come on, Gattu. Let's go to the balcony and watch the rain.
So Gattu and Chinky stood on the balcony watching the rain. After a while, the rain stopped and the weather cleared up. Hey kids, come inside now. What are you looking at? The rain has stopped, right?
Yes, Papa. But look over there. The water stored above is dripping from the building and it looks like a waterfall.
You know, kids, if you want to see a real waterfall, come on, I'll show you one.
What? Surely, Papa?
Yes. Since we all have a day off today and the rain has stopped, let's go out and have some fun. So Gattu, Chinky, Mummy and Papa set out together to see the waterfall. On the way, Gattu and Chinky kept chatting excitedly. After a while, they all reached the location.
Wow, the weather here is so beautiful. Yes, the breeze is so cool and all the greenery looks so amazing.
This is just the beginning, kids. Let's hurry to the waterfall. The view there is even more beautiful. Mummy handed Gattu and Chinky their trekking sticks and said,
Gattu, Chinky, the path ahead is flat but a bit uneven. So use these sticks while walking and be careful. Okay, Mummy.
Then everyone started walking towards the waterfall.
Wow, this path is so beautiful. Mummy, Papa, look at all the different kind of trees here. Yes, Gattu, and look, there are so many squirrels here. They look so cute. Kids, look up. There's so much fog around.
At that moment, Chinky tried to reach out and touch the fog.
Mummy, Papa, it feels like clouds.
Gattu and Chinky played and walked along the path. And after a while, they reached the waterfall. Many other people were there to see it too.
Kids, look, it seems a lot of people had the same idea to visit today. Wow, this waterfall is really beautiful.
Really? So this waterfall is even better than the one we saw from the balcony. Hearing Papa, Gattu and Chinky started laughing. Then Chinky told Mummy,
Mummy, please take a photo of me with the waterfall. I want to show it to my friends. Chinky, why alone? Mummy, I also want to show it to my friends. Okay. You both stand together. I'll take a photo of both of you. Okay, Mummy.
Gattu and Chinky looked around and then they saw an uncle who was selling snacks nearby.
Wow, Maggie, it smells so good. Gattu, you're right. Mummy, I want to eat Maggie. If we don't eat Maggie near the waterfall, what's the point of coming here?
Chinky quickly went to the uncle selling Maggie and said,
Uncle, I'd like 1 plate of Maggie and add lots of vegetable in it. Hey, I said it first, Chinky, so I'll get it first. No, I'll get first. Why are you guys arguing? It doesn't matter who get it first, but both will get Maggie.
Guys, stop fighting. Well, I'm going to enjoy a hot cup of coffee in this lovely weather. Please get me a coffee.
Yes, I'll have a coffee too.
So Gattu and Chinky got their Maggie and Mummy and Papa got their coffee. They all found a nice spot near the waterfall and sat over there. They started enjoying their snacks. Really, it feels so good to be here in such a lovely weather and such a beautiful place. Gattu and Chinky slurped their Maggie happily.
Look at them. They seem to be having a lot of fun. Am I right, kids? Papa, it's so much fun.
Mummy and Papa laughed seeing Gattu.
Alright, now we should head back. It's getting late and we don't want the rain to start again. Let's go home. What? So soon?
Yes, Gattu. Mummy is right.
Okay, Papa.
After a while, they all got back in their car and started driving home. Just as Mummy had said, it started raining heavily on the way.
See, it's good that we left on time.
Yes, absolutely right. But let's enjoy the weather now.
How, Papa?
Then Papa started playing songs in the car, and everyone listened to music in the rain as they drove home.
Wow, Papa, now the rain is even more fun. Really, today was such a great day.
After a while, Gattu and Chinky reached home, and in this way, they enjoyed their one-day waterfall trip.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.